We start here first at 6, knowing that some local classrooms have shut down just days after students across South Carolina returned to school. Across Clover, Rock Hill, and Fort Mill, more than 150 students have tested positive for COVID-19, along with 11 staff members. 520 students are in quarantine now, and dozens more are in isolation.
The hardest hit, the Fort Mill School District. That is where we find WCNC Charlotte's Tanya Mendis.
2 days into the start of the school year in South Carolina, and the COVID dashboards are already lighting up.
And we expected to see that coming back to school.
The hardest hit in our area with numbers available, Fort Mill. 71 students and 11 staff members have tested positive. Another 243 students and 4 staff are in quarantine. But these cases can date back 2 weeks, which would be before the start of school.
The large majority of those positive cases are from exposures that happened prior to coming to school, but the district wasn't notified by the parents of those until first day when their student was unable to attend school.
In Clover, 36 students have tested positive. Rock Hill, 46 positive, nearly 200 in quarantine.
The numbers coming in are, of course, concerning, but we learned a lot last year dealing with the pandemic, and we are ready to deal with whatever comes our way.
Infectious disease specialists say the cases, quarantines, and closures we're seeing now are just the beginning for school districts without mask requirements.
I think places that don't have mask mandates in place, as infectious as Delta variant is, it's going to run through a school, and there may be a time you have to shut the school down for a couple of weeks because of it.
Which is why more schools across South Carolina are opting to defy the state law that bans masking mandates and order masks in schools anyway. Richland County, which encompasses Columbia, announcing Wednesday they're requiring masks in school. So is Charleston County. Clemson and USC now ordering masks on their university campuses after getting the green light from the state Supreme Court. And we learned today that many of the cases that we reported on, DHEC has yet to report, which means if you go to the state's leading health agency to try to get a sense of how bad COVID is right now in the community with our kids, they don't have all of these numbers available yet. They said that they have to go in and confirm each case, and so the school districts may have information that they don't have at this time. Reporting live at Gold Hill Elementary, which is the school with the most kids in quarantine in Fort Mill right now. I'm Tanya Mendis, WCNC Charlotte.
School started just recently, and we've got quarantines already. It's about to get real. Tanya, thank you for that.